37% of companies will replace workers with AI by 2026. Here are 10 tools that could cost jobs next. I'm not here to scare you, I'm here to wake you up. The clock's ticking. Tech is moving faster than most of us realize. I saw teams rebuild entire workflows overnight. With one of these tools, I've seen people get left behind, ignoring the warning signs. This video is rapid fire, each tool, why it's dangerous for jobs, what you can do to stay useful. But there are ways to adapt. Listen to the end. Okay. Fast countdown tone. Urgent pacing. Punchy one-liners between items. I start with Replit Ghostwriter because this one attacks the core of a programmer's job. Watch, it reads context, suggests full functions, and can even debug. Lines of code that once took hours can now be generated in seconds. Developers who do repetitive tasks, boilerplate, API integrations, unit tests, are the most exposed. This tool accelerates those parts of the job until the human becomes an overseer, rather than a builder. That shift is huge, and it's happening fast. But don't panic. High-level architecture, creative problem-solving, and system design still need humans. Your leverage comes from moving up the stack. Become the person defining the problems the AI solves. Learn to prompt, validate, and stitch outputs into resilient systems. Jasper can spit out blog posts and copy long-form scripts in minutes. Marketers and copywriters who churn content by the hundreds feel the heat first. It nails tone, structure, and can be tuned to brand voice quickly. Agencies that bill by volume may find AI reduces headcount or moves roles to editors and strategists. The mechanical writing work becomes cheaper and faster. That's loud and clear for anyone chained to content quotas. Your win: specialize. Move into creative strategy, campaign orchestration, or niche technical writing where domain expertise matters. UiPath automates workflows across spreadsheets, CRMs, email, tasks that keep admin staff busy. Think of it as macros on steroids. It imitates clicks, reads screens, triggers actions, 24/7 without coffee breaks. Roles in data entry, claims processing, routine reporting are the obvious targets. If a job can be mapped as a repeatable process, UiPath can potentially replace it. Companies love cutting costs, eliminating human error. Synthesia creates realistic AI-driven presenters and multilingual voiceovers instantly. Training a human actor crew and translators used to be expensive and slow. Now a brand can produce hundreds of localized videos in a fraction of the time. That's a threat to presenters, voice actors, and localization teams. If a company prioritizes scale over nuance, they'll choose AI spokespersons for tutorials, internal comms, and basic marketing videos. Chapter 5. Descript turned editing into typing. Delete a line, the clip disappears. Podcasters, video editors trimmed hours of footage manually. Now done with a few keystrokes. This tool speeds post-production dramatically. The roles most affected are junior editors, transcription-heavy workflows. When editing becomes cheaper, teams shrink, expectations for volume spike. More content, fewer people needed to make it. But storytellers, sound designers, text-to-image models can generate product concepts and visuals and mock-ups in seconds. Designers who once sketched dozens of concepts now can iterate at lightning speed using prompts and seeds. That pressure hits junior graphic designers, concept artists. Anything that's derivative or templated is vulnerable. Companies can prototype dozens of creative routes with near zero cost. Yet, art direction, brand cohesion, rights-aware designers remain invaluable. The craft shifts from raw creation to curation refinement, integrating AI images into larger campaigns. Midjourney Lives on Discord produces jaw-dropping imagery with stylized aesthetics. It's beloved by creatives for concept art, mood boards, rapid ideation. That speed threatens freelance illustrators doing concept rounds. Companies that need rapid visual language, game dev, advertising, product design can replace initial concept phases with Midjourney experiments. Microsoft Copilot plugs into Office/365. It helps write emails, summarize meetings, build slides, and analyze data. It's baked into tools most knowledge workers use every day. That ubiquity makes its impact massive. Administrative assistants, junior analysts, routine, report. Creators may find their calendar and communications tasks dramatically reduced. Copilot can draft a plan, create a presentation, and summarize a meeting all in one workflow. GitHub Copilot writes code inline, suggests functions, and auto-completes logic. It's like pairing with an expert that never tires. That's a direct efficiency hit for entry-level devs and code-heavy contractors. Companies can accelerate development cycles and reduce the number of hands needed for routine features. Bootstrap teams might ship MVPs with far fewer engineers, changing hiring dynamics. ChatGPT is the multi-purpose AI that can write code brainstorm tutor. It's not perfect, but it's flexible, collapsing many roles into single workflows, customer support, tutoring content, initial drafts. All touchpoints are affected. The biggest vulnerability is routine knowledge work. Tier Arbender. To unsupport basic tutoring, formulaic content creation. If you want to survive 2026, learn AI tools, reskill fast, subscribe for weekly breakdowns. The list I just ran through sounds scary, but remember, companies are also offering AI training. Adapt, don't panic. This is a pivot point. The same tech that threatens jobs creates new ones. Commit to learning one tool per month. Build a portfolio of AI-augmented work and network with people who are already doing it. I've seen people double their income by becoming the bridge between AI and the business. Be that bridge. And let's turn this disruption into the biggest opportunity of your career.